Hi, welcome back to Divine Times 2, where we love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like and or find useful. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make spiced apple butter in a slow cooker. This is a delicious and aromatic recipe that will remind you of the holidays whenever you make this. I am excited to show you this recipe, so let's get started. For the apples, I have 3 pounds Granny Smith apples. These are tart apples, and these are Fuji apples, which are very sweet. And the combination of both the tart and the sweet apples make a wonderful apple butter. After the apples are peeled and cored, I always make sure that there isn't any peel left on the apple or some of the core left behind. So I have the 6 pounds of apples. Now for the delicious spices. I am going to add 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice, 1 star anise, and this is, it smells so good. It smells like licorice. I love star anise, it's so good. Now 1/2 teaspoon salt. Bring out the flavors with the salt. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. And 3/4 cup dark brown sugar or light brown sugar. Stir well. I'm going to put the slow cooker on low. It smells amazing. It smells like harvest time. It smells like autumn. It smells wonderful. Now I'm going to put the lid on it and slow cook it on low for 8 hours. Let's see how the slow cooked spiced apple butter is coming along. It smells really good. Okay, at this point, it has been cooking for 8 hours. At this point, I am going to take out the cinnamon sticks. There's one more. Here it is. And the star anise. It's in there. I took out the pieces from the star anise. So now I am going to use an immersion blender to blend this up. You can also use a food processor. It looks now really smooth. Now I want this to evaporate somewhat. I'm going to put the lid back on, but not all the way. Like that, a little bit open, so that I can begin evaporating. I am going to leave it on low for 3 hours. Check it every hour to see how it looks. Now, if your slow cooker tends to lose too much heat, then just put the lid back on and just continue cooking it on low for 1 to 3 hours. I left it cooking for 2 more hours. It's gotten thicker. The color is also darker. Okay, I turned off the slow cooker, and now I am going to let it cool. This slow cooker spiced apple butter turned out amazing. It's tart and sweet at the same time, and the flavors of cinnamon, cloves, allspice, and star anise gives it a heartwarming welcome to the holidays. Enjoy the spiced apple butter on toast, muffins, or on a slice of ham with buttery biscuits. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.